Hey guys, I'm Starry and welcome back to another video.
Just with you right now, but the truth I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't.
In today's video, I will be showing y'all my Polaroid photos from 2016 to 2023. Let's see the photos. Don't mind the background noise. That was my next door neighbors. I keep all the photos in this photo album. I chose blue because blue is my favorite color. And I got my Polaroid camera in Christmas of 2015. This is all the photos in this page. So this is the first photo that I ever took, and it was in January 2nd, 2016. And what I did for my photo album, well, for the pictures, I put the state that I live in. So the state that I took the picture in, but I live in Hawaii. So I put Oahu, Hawaii, and then the month, the day, and the year. Then I took these pictures, these photos for my senior trip, and it was on my birthday. We went to Hawaiian Brian's, and these are the, oh, it's upside down. These are the photos. And then these photos was my prom night. So took these photos. So that and that one. And then this photo is my sister was still going to the high school, and we went to one of the football games. And then this one. These are the photos on this side. Wait, yeah. Photo on this side. Okay. So these two pictures are these two pictures. So these pictures we went to we took these pictures before we went to the Halloween plantation. I think that's what it's called. But yeah, these are the pictures, and I went with my friend and my sister. And then these pictures are when I went to New York to see my family after moving to Hawaii from 3 years ago. So I moved to Hawaii in it was 2014, but these pictures, so it was 4 years after I moved from New York to Hawaii. In these pictures, and so this is me and my cousin. She came to my grandma's house to see me. And then these pictures are from my best friend birthday. She was turning 19. So this is me and my best friend, and then this picture is blurry. I mean, well, dark, but this is me and my best friend's mom. Then this picture is, I just wanted to take a picture just for fun. And then these pictures, this is the pictures on the other side. Okay, so this, oh, there's a lot of them. Okay. And then I will show these pictures in individual, but these pictures are from one of my friends' birthday. We went to Kapolei karaoke. So this picture, this is the birthday girl. And then all the people that was there I took pictures with. So those are all the girls that went. And then here go another group. Okay. And then took these photos just for fun. And then These are the photos on this side. Okay, and then took these photos when we was in a car. I forgot where we was going, but yes. Then took this photo at the beach, me and my sister. Then took this photo because I wanted to take a photo. And then this. Okay, and then these photos, I was celebrating my birthday with friends. So me and my sister, and then me and some friends. And then just me, photos at the beach. Oops. These are photos on the other side. Okay. These are photos just to take. Well, this photo my brother was camera shy, and then of me. And we was just hanging out in the house, and I got bored and took pictures. And then my brother took a photo of me doing the dishes. And then do I have more? Okay. And these are the pictures on this side. Okay, so one. Okay. In this picture, I was celebrating my friend's birthday, and these pictures are the pictures on her birthday that we was doing. So this one, this one. This is my friend's birthday that I was celebrating. This one. Yeah. Okay. Oh. In these two photos, we was celebrating New Year's Eve at my aunt's house. And then these are the pictures on the other side. Okay. Oh. Okay. So this picture. Okay. Nope. And then these pictures, me, my sister, and our friend did a photo shoot, but we did the photo shoot on the phone to take pictures. But these are some of the pictures that we took on a Polaroid. So this one, me and my sister. Me and my sister again. Me and my friend, and then all three of us, and then me. And then these are pictures of my cousin, me, and my brother. Just taking pictures just to take them. So this one of me, of my brother, and then of my cousin. Just hanging out. Okay, and then these pictures are on January 1st of 2021. So we had a cookout at my grandfather's house. So these are the pictures. These are the pictures on this side. This is pictures. We went to the beach, and these are pictures of me on the beach. So it's this one, this one, and this one. And then a picture of me. We was going somewhere, but I don't remember where we was going. But yes. And then okay. And then these are the other pictures on this side. Okay. So these pictures are we spent the day on the beach. So this is the first picture. It's just of the sky and then the sand. What is it? The sunset. Another sunset. This is my grandma standing by the water. Then my family, me, and then me and my grandma. This is me. This is, I think, when we was coming back from the beach. And then this is me when I went back to New York to see my cousin. So this was the first, I think, night back in New York. And then oh wait, let's see if I have on the other side. Oh God. Nope. Okay. So okay. These pictures are from New York. It was on my aunt's birthday. My aunt that passed away. We went to New York, and I was with my grandma and my cousin. And these are the pictures that we took, because we went to Coley Island. That was one of my aunt's favorite place to go, so we went there on her birthday. And these are the pictures. So me and my grandma, me. This was it. Yeah. Oh yeah, I have the mask on because that's when COVID was still around and you had to wear mask. Then me and my cousin after going on all the rides, and then me. These are the photos on this side and this side. Okay. These are the first shit. Okay. Still in New York, but this is when I went to go see my best friend and her mom. These are the photos. So it's this one, and this one. And then okay. And then this is the second time that I'm seeing my best friend. We're still in New York, and these photos, we did a photo shoot on my phone, and then I took pictures on my Polaroid for all the outfits that I took. So oh, and she did my makeup. So this is me and her, and then my makeup that she did. So this is one of the outfits. The other outfit. And then the last one. And then these photos is when my cousin came to visit us at my grandma's house in New York. Took this picture just because. And then 26, 20. Okay. Okay. And then these are the pictures on this side and on this side. Okay. And all of these photos, me and my friend wanted to go to the beach and we took pictures. Did a little photo shoot. So this is another one. Me and my friend. Me and my friend. And then these photos, me and my friends celebrated my birthday a couple days after and went to the beach, and I took these photos. So this is the first one. these pictures on this side. Okay, these photos, I bought color lenses for my Polaroid, and I wanted to see the colors on the on these. So these are the photos. So got yellow, I think this is blue, blue, I think this color was blue too. Green, pink, pink, blue, pink, and then blue. So those are all the colors I got. I got pink, blue, green, and yellow. Yeah. Okay. And then got pictures. These are the pictures on this side. Okay. So these pictures are in a living room, and yeah, and us going to the beach. So I took these pictures the same day. So this is my nephew when he was little. I think he was 7 months in these pictures. And then us at the beach, me, my sister, and my nephew. My nephew, and then my sister and my nephew. And then these two is at my friend kid's birthday party. Me just took the picture because I was bored, but yeah. Okay. Last okay, so this is stuff. And then they do I have any more? Okay, March 29. Okay. Oh, and then I got pictures on this side. These pictures are I went to North Carolina for my grandmother's birthday, but this is like a couple days after it, but yeah. Me and my nephew. So me and him, my nephew. And then and then still in North Carolina, we went to the music park in South Carolina. Yeah. So, oh, and the amusement park is called Coil Winds. So this is before we left the house, and then these are at the and then these are at the amusement park. So me, my sister, and my nephew. My sister and nephew. And then us leaving. And then just picture because I was bored of me. And then okay. And then these are the last of the pictures that I took. So and these photos are from my nephew turning 1 on his birthday, June 25th, 2023. So this is the birthday boy with cake on his face. We did a smash cake for him, and that's the aftermath. And then this is his balloon that we made, and the number 1. Then me and my nephew with cake frosting on his face. And then the last picture is me and my sister. That's all the photos. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in my next video.
I think I